pieces of art.
Welcome back, everybody. Today I am going to be trying for the reverse Larimar. I saw a color palette on Pinterest that kind of intrigued me and I wanted to try it in something, so this is what I chose. And I'm going to be using the Molds and Shapes Rough and Tough Duo Square Coaster Mold. And I'm going to be using J. Diction 1:1, sorry for the glare, 1:1 low viscosity resin. And I will go through the colors as we use them. I'm going to start by, I'm going to use this aqua glitter. It's just from Hobby Lobby. I'm just going to start by sprinkling it around the edge here. I just want something on the edge, not necessarily in the mold. So I'm going to take out those few that dropped there. Just something for a little color. And then I am going to take out the stuff that fell in. Don't want that in there. All right, so we're going to start with, this is just clear resin. It's 40 grams, and it's just going to be my base layer. Pour it in the bottom. I'm not sure whose idea this was originally. I'd be happy to give kudos out to you, but I'm not sure who developed it. Okay, and then I'm just going to torch my bubbles out. And I've got something in here. I'm not sure what this is. Maybe some unmixed resin. I'm not sure. Okay, next in is going to be the color for this. And it is 40 grams. And I used swimming pool and some interference blue mica, just 1 scoop of mica, and I believe I did 4 drops of the swim pool. Oh, that's not next, I'm sorry. Whew. Glad I caught myself. Next is enoki. This is 40 grams of enoki. 40 grams of resin, 1 gram of enoki. Oh, I almost blew that. And this is just puddles right in the middle. This may have been Nicole Martin's pour. I'm thinking that's who did this. Now the color. This is just goes right in the middle. Well, that turned out to be a pretty color, that interference blue. Okay, and then the push is 20 grams, and I put 1 drop of this Vivid Red Orange Liquitex acrylic ink. I saw an aqua and orange something on Pinterest, and I thought, oh, I wonder how that would look in resin. So that's what I did. And you just put that right in the middle. Now, something that was not done in the original was I added putting a rim around this because I didn't like the clear edge. So for this one, I mixed some bloom paste with some of the Vivid Red Orange, and that's going to go around the outer edge. It's kind of like a melon, really. And this is 15 grams. I used 2 drops of bloom paste. And I think 2 drops of the orange. And I think that's all I'm going to put in there. I'm at the rim here. So I will just give this a torch. And that's it for this one. This is an easy one. So we'll see you on the demold for this. Welcome back, everybody. So I wanted to demold this tonight. It looks like it's ready. So let's see how this did. I have to be careful. I have another one cooking over here. So I'm just going to take this and get this out of the way. And let's take a look how this did. Ooh. You can't really tell the color here. I will get another shot of this tomorrow in the sun. We'll see how it did. See you tomorrow.